You've likely heard the term manifestation trending everywhere this past year. Is it a mystical secret or something much more practical and accessible? Today, we're going to demystify this powerful and popular concept. It's less about magic and more about the structured power of your mind. Let's explore how to turn your focused thoughts into tangible reality. So, what exactly is thought manifestation at its very core? At its essence, manifestation is the process of using focused intention to influence your life. It's not just wishing for something and waiting for it to appear. It's aligning your thoughts and actions toward one clear, defined outcome. Imagine you're a gardener planting a very specific seed. Your thought is the seed. Your focus acts like water and sunlight. Your actions are you tending to the soil, pulling out the weeds, making sure the environment supports your goal. It's proactive psychology, not passive superstition. This idea has roots in both ancient philosophy and modern psychology. Let's look at the science that makes manifestation powerful. One of the most influential systems in your brain is the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. Think of RAS as a mental filter. It decides what information gets through to your conscious mind. It highlights what's important based on your ongoing thoughts, desires, and attention. For example, have you ever bought a new car, say a blue SUV, and then started seeing blue SUVs everywhere? That's your RAS in action. Once you focus your attention on something, your brain starts noticing more of it in your environment. When you focus on a goal, you're telling your brain, this matters. Your RAS then finds opportunities and connections you might have otherwise ignored. Suddenly, new resources, ideas, and people seem to appear to help you reach your goal. It feels almost like the universe is lending a hand, but it's really your brain filtering reality in your favor. Visualization is another crucial element. Elite athletes, top performers, and successful entrepreneurs all use mental rehearsal for a reason. When you visualize yourself succeeding at something, your brain lays down neural pathways similar to actually doing the action. So how can you use visualization step by step? Let's try a simple practice right now. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a slow, deep breath. Clearly picture your goal achieved. For example, imagine you're receiving an email with a job offer or completing a project that excites you. In your mind, make the image vivid. Where are you? Who else is there? What colors and shapes surround you? Involve every sense. What do you see? What sounds can you hear around you? Is there a smell? A taste? Most importantly, what emotions are you feeling in this success? Notice how your body feels in this rehearsed victory. Relaxed? Proud? Happy? Now, intensify the emotion and let it fill you for 10 to 20 seconds. Smile, if you can. Practicing this 1 to 2 minutes daily creates a mental blueprint for your brain to follow. Remember, you are not attracting things out of thin air. You're training your mind to see and move toward opportunities. Manifestation, then, begins with clarity. What do you really want? Step 1. Get crystal clear on your intention. Don't settle for broad wishes like, I want to be happy or I want to be rich. Ask yourself, what does happiness look and feel like for me each day? What dollar amount, job position, travel destination, or relationship outcome would satisfy this wish? Write it down in one clear sentence with every specific detail included. Step 2, visualization. Now, as we practiced, make the achievement of this goal come alive in your mind. Visualize the process, not just the result. See yourself taking steps, facing challenges, growing along the way. Step 3. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Maybe a voice inside says, "I can't do this," or "That's not possible for someone like me." Here's a micro exercise. Write down any negative thought that comes up about your goal. Next to each one, write a counterfact or action. For example, negative, "I'm not talented enough." Counterfact, "I have learned and improved at new skills before." Action, "I'll spend 10 minutes each morning practicing this skill." Recognizing and disputing these beliefs turns obstacles into action steps. Step 4. Take inspired, consistent action. Every day, do one small thing that brings you closer to your goal. For instance, if you're manifesting a healthier body, do 10 squats or prep a healthy snack. If you want a new job, send one networking email or freshen up your resume. Write your goal at the top of each daily planner page. Action is the bridge between your imagined reality and your actual life. Step 5. Let go of how and when. Focus on the process and your actions. For example, after sending out applications, return to your daily routines, trusting that opportunities will arrive in the right time and form. If you catch yourself obsessing over, "Why hasn't this happened yet?" gently bring your mind back to the positive actions you're taking. Remember, clarity fuels focus. Focus fuels progress. Progress fuels belief. Let's review some common pitfalls on this journey. Passive wishing is not manifestation. You must take consistent action, even if small. Second, don't focus on what's missing. The more you fuel lack, "I don't have it," the more your mind finds evidence that you're stuck. Instead, practice gratitude for every tiny win. "I'm grateful I took time today to visualize." "I spoke to someone inspiring." "I ate a healthy breakfast." Gratitude keeps your mind resourceful and positive. Avoid toxic positivity. Don't deny problems, setbacks, or negative feelings. Acknowledge them, process them, but redirect your focus on what you can do. Manifestation is a gentle, ongoing process, not overnight magic. It's like watering a seed daily, not flooding the garden once and hoping for growth. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress, even if it feels slow. Why has manifestation become so popular? Because in uncertain, unpredictable times, people long for agency, hope, and tools to shape their own future. Manifestation at its core is a proactive structure for defining and pursuing your goals. Here's a daily manifestation checklist you can try. State your goal out loud each morning. Spend 2 minutes picturing its realization, fully engaging your senses. Notice any limiting belief. Write down a counterfact or action. Take one practical step toward your goal, no matter how minor. Express gratitude for any progress or opportunity, small or big, that arises. At night, briefly review your actions and adjust for tomorrow. If you do this for 7 days, you'll likely feel more focused, motivated, and surprisingly lucky. That's not magic, but the power of aligned thought and action. To sum up, manifestation is a conscious method for directing your focus and action. It relies on psychological processes like the Reticular Activating System and the neural pathways formed by visualization. It flourishes with clarity, emotion, genuine belief, daily action, and trust in the process. The real magic is deep mental programming. Your thoughts shape your choices. Your choices shape your world. We invite you to begin not with giant dreams, but with simple, meaningful goals. What is one thing you'd love to experience or achieve in the coming week? Write it down. Visualize it. Take a step today. Use this method to build belief, confidence, and see for yourself how your mind can turn an intention into reality. Thank you for joining us in exploring how manifestation truly works. No mystery, just real mental tools for real results.